severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Carver County until 6:30 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Waconia, or 24 miles south of Buffalo, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eden Prairie, Chaska, Chanhassen, Waconia, Victoria, and Lake Waconia. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Carver, Minnesota.
El servicio meteorológico.